Gosh. Hey guys, I'm on a cart. As you guys can see, this is just my life as a person. My grandma's gonna vlog me. So we're gonna get some glue. Hold my camera. No, don't go. Come, Grandma, follow me. There it is. Come on. Today is the first time I'm getting a. Don't bump me. Don't bump me. First time I'm getting down. Now, don't get jealous. I'm just a person who gets. Oh my God! What just happened? Oh, that was too much work. I got 2 of these before, but I never got 2 again. You notice that? You ever notice? Okay, one of these.
No.
Yeah, that's good.
No, you're not getting blue.
This is, I can waste for my money. And you said you buy me Chinese food without buying that cart.
Exactly. Well, put one of those back.
Okay, that's good enough. Because you know what happened? I wasted my baking soda and that, so now I have detergent. Okay, let me back up. I can't back up now. This is the slowest thing I've ever been on. Continue. Wait, how can you drive with one? Oh, I gave the Model Magic. You see what I told you? They ran out. They ran out of the Model Magic. And now my grandma wanna add that she didn't do anything. It ran out. Oh, look, it's right here. Look, they're $3.49 each. Which one can I? How many can I get?
1.
Okay, not enough. 1.
1, because you're getting that.
Those 2 things. Okay. Let's get it out. Now to the content illustration baking soda. Can you work? I should have went to get yours first.
You better work. Get what? Mine.
Like your cart, because like this one is working unfunctional.
Hey, it's working. You're moving.
Oh, look, is that the pineapple Daisy one? This is like when you're on a bike or something like that. And before I get this video started,
Give thanks.
Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so we're still working on it. We're still getting somewhere. I thought this would be faster. Look, Grandma, this is, you guys don't see the video. I got one of these before. You know what happened? And I wasted it in over 2 days. Are you serious? This don't want to work. Oh, we gotta go to that aisle.
Look at all those bins. How much?
Okay, I'm trying to struggle. This is my nerves. It doesn't say. 4.18.
Not bad.
Oh, can I get 2 of them?
No, you could get 1. This kid want to break me with my pocket, always with the same thing.
So far, I got
That's
a
it.
gallon of white glue. I got a bucket of clear glue. I got some containers.
How much are those pots?
And I got Model Magic.
How much is that
What?
pots?
These?
On sale, write that down.
Oh, these.
No, they right there. The tag is right in your face.
Oh, 30% off. $97.96.
Okay.
You know, that reminds me of how expensive.
Okay, let's go. We're out of here.
These are actually $8.99 for.
Which she's not getting. Let's go.
Okay. What is it? This is not working. Okay, we gotta move back. Now let's just go forward. Alright, then we're gonna move backwards.
Go forward.
You're telling me to go different ways?
This kid with her freaking glue has got me already off the chain.
That's the term of the life.
Alright, keep going.
Okay, can this stop? Can this start working again?
Can you not stop no more so that it won't
It's not me stopping. It's stopping on its own.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
for sure.
This is not funny.
Stop going back and forth on it.
Oh my gosh, guys, it's working again.
Okay, when you turning this off?
Not now. We're gonna go to the Halloween aisle. What the heck? This is just all pitch. Block.
Ain't nobody in Target. Let's get out of
Alright,
here.
guys, I'm gonna end the video right now. How are you beating me? But before you get this video started, not that. Give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Because my grandma's beating me and intentionally some reason. Yeah, now my thing don't. Grandma, stop. You're beating me. You're losing the camera. Oh my god, that's the cutest little animal. Alright, Grandma, press the red button on the camera. You want to play with me? Oh, she wants to play? Okay. Ay, qué linda.
I was waiting for you the other way.
As she was waiting.
She came out of the curve.
It's the first time I didn't get my juice.
Let's go. I'm leaving.
Really? Are you serious? I'm still pressing it.
Woo! Your cousin. Oh, somebody done broke his eye. Whee! Gotta pick it up, you know. Can't leave things on the floor. Vega.
Dad, that you're just cheating right now. Grandma, slow down. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. You see, you got that lot of.
Listen, cut this already.
Alright, bye guys. Subscribe, turn off those notifications, and give it a big thumbs up. Bye.